How did you learn chopsticks? By being in Vietnam or just
No, America.
of all the places to learn? From eating Asian food?
Yep.
When I first moved to China, I used to carry a fork in my bag. Because I couldn't even do that. And then one day I forgot to bring my fork to a really local place, and it was noodles. Oh, I still remember. It was hard. Like, I'm hungry, I need to eat. You can find a way, even if you're not sure. You just make sure it's next to your mouth. And then you can,
As an Indian, nothing is impossible. The hands are available.
It's true, but noodles are hot. And I think you want to be dipping your fingers in the broth.
You never know.
So yeah, just carry a fork. You can do it.
Not for long, I guess. I think I just learned some basic thing. After I just like.
You see, this is how it is. You have watched Kung Fu Panda? Yes? Train yourself.
To use chopsticks. Kung Fu Panda.
Kung Fu Panda, yeah. So train yourself, become a master. Teach the
I'm a
world.
master of loneliness, master of my own.
Yeah, no,
peace.
I am just talking about, don't go psychological on me, I'm just talking about chopsticks.
Please, you have.
Oh no, you guys eat, I've eaten this before. What? Nobody's eating it, it's not good?
No, we're just being polite. You guys are more British than me. You know when a British person says, no, I don't want it. Really, they want it. I'm not saying that was me. That backfired really bad.
Can I go sideways, huh? See?
Do however you want.
Do it like a pencil. So it's like how you hold a pen. Like you can put this in between or just hold this so you can do this.
Or it's whatever your hand feels comfortable.
Yeah, like a pen kind of generally move.
Yeah, you just have
It's
to get
alright.
the...
Yeah. Should I pour that?
Don't fall down.
What are some... Wait, when you're in Malaysia, what language do you speak? You speak Malay then. What are some Malay slogans? Sorry.
Because I mostly talk only in the office environment, so often speak English. At home, I don't speak from alone.
Yeah.
And with family,
Well, I'm not sure about that. I have to find out.
British took over his office.
with family is mixture lah, Punjabi and English. We don't speak Malay.
Why English with your family?
Actually, usually we start in English, but sometimes it comes some topic from Punjabi lah. Local language Punjabi. I think their office is
You speak Malay?
yeah, of course.
Like fluent. Okay, what are some bad words?
Bad words. Seriously.
Like, what are non-serious bad words?
Yeah, right?
What are non-serious bad words? You have to say serious
Because
bad words.
I know some bad words in Indonesia,
Ooh,
but
of
my
course.
friends and I'm like, what's it?
You know, I'll just say this. There is in Indonesian and Malaysian, this is what you say. Teri makasih for thank you.
Terima kasih.
Teri makasih, yeah? Now, in Hindi, Teri ma means your mother.
Oh yes, it does really well.
Yeah.
I've heard that before.
And then ka is her, and then si. When the guy told me I ate noodles, I was eating noodles, and he was like, "Teri makasih," I was just looking. You know what? I just ate at your place, and he was like, "Oh, that means thank you." I'm like, "Oh, never mind."
Terima kasih.
So surely the Indians in Malaysia, they've already picked up on that.
No, they do, but it's just that I don't think they realize it.
Okay.
Because if you're coming from my background, then like say just a traveler, you never lived there before, you don't know the words at all, and then just this single word is your first introduction, then it's a problem.
Do you remember that?
Chicken terima.
Chicken.
It's fine.
You are a chicken, right?
What was that again?
Lemongrass and chili.
Lemon costume.
School.
Usually Punjabi they add something at the behind it. D, teri mati.
Terimadi and in Hindi is terimaki.
Teri mati. It's like a hanging word, you know. Your mother's just hang there.
Yeah, so it's just hang there, like just leave
So
it.
it's understood.
It's your
Understood.
imagination. But this terimaka C adds the C in there. So now you know you're going there.
Right.
Close enough. Stop with the 3 letters.
So actually it's not exactly a bad word, you know. If you just say teri mati,
But
you just stop there.
your brain knows. So in Punjabi, D and Hindi Ki are the same. Because it's like,
T and P.
yeah,
Okay.
Teri means yours, mom, mother. Ki means like mother's something.
terimaka C.
So you just stop there. People understood. They make their own word lah. You're talking about which part of body, you know.
Oh my god. So I have a few Malaysian friends, but we're not. They don't live in China. I would use them when
Teri mati, Jenny tu, teri pandi. Become pen. Pen means sister. So your sisters stop there. Pandi. Like pen, cooking pen.
Like no, that is Punjabi. If you are in Hindi, it's BEHEN, Behan. Behan. That's sister.
Teri behan ki.
Oh, her saying wouldn't matter. She'll be like just she likes the sisters, or she's just on the other side of the spectrum.
Yes.
And in Hindi, there's something which people call sale. Sale, like it's actually not a common.
Actually, two double meaning.
Yeah, sale means generally it's a relative. Sale means brother-in-law. But if you are just randomly calling a guy, sale means I slept with your sister.
Right. Wow, these are roasts. These are like they could be. Okay. Well, that's mine.
You want
If you forgot this Instagram, just send a message to him, you know.
How do I send them off?
you know you don't. I'll do the service. You just put me on video. I'll say it to them. It's all right. You don't have to remember.
Delima, I will remember.
Yeah.
Like I said, I'm not upset.
Just shout it to the Indians in Malaysia. It's alright. They don't care. Let's thank you. It's thank you.
Like I say, like even when they talk casually, they use one of bad words. Like this one now, normal.
And also, it's thank you, Antarima see. Now it's in his head. Whenever he will say Antarima, say
I
thank
would think that I think mine never go that far, you know.
you. Now that's why I seeded it in Inception.
But I said we mostly talk English.
Yeah, it won't be a problem. But in Malaysia and Indonesia, it's the same. Antarima kasih.
Yeah, so now I'm wondering are the Malay words similar to the Indonesian words? Because I know the Indonesian bad words. But my friends told me that they meant good things. So I would say them out loud.
Okay, how do you want to say? What's the word?
And
And you just like dog.
yeah, but I've heard it's bad.
I mean, the thing here because it's Muslim country, so like
Dogs are non-religious. Yeah.
So they would tell me to say apa anjing. And then they also told me how to say what are we eating? Or when are we eating? Or where are we eating? Makan di mana?
where we
Where are we eating? So I put it all together, of course. And I would go, apa anjing makan di mana?
That's fun,
So,
like,
yeah, so-
you dog that are eating.
anjing.
But-
So because you Muslim country, like anjing, babi is all not the it's not actually a bad word, but
Goes
more
against
like
the religious.
Sure. So then my Indonesian friend got married. And his other friend was collecting videos of his friends abroad to put during his wedding. So I recorded myself giving you like a congratulations message.
congratulations,
And I-
anjing.
Yes, that's what I did. I said my congratulations, and at the end I was like, "Apa anjing makan
Oh my
di mana?"
god. Seriously.
I mean, I didn't know that Indonesian weddings are big, at least for the Chinese and Malaysians. They had huge screen.
Oh.
We're talking like this, and then in a massive, massive ceremony hall, and they played all the videos from the friends, including me. And my friend was editing the video,
He must have.
censored me when I said end.
Lucky good.
So they recorded it when they played it. They sent it to me. I'll show you guys later. And I'm just like, congratulations, auntie, my cousin. All the aunties and uncles and grandma. Who's this white girl on the screen swearing?
Oh my god.
So I thought it was a bad word, but I can see the context, right? And the Muslim.
It's basically just animal name. Just like we use the word dog, that's it. Auntie.
See, anting in Chinese means cool.
Seriously?
So you're like a very anti environment. Very dog environment. Should we? I'm not sure about this. What else do we got?
Shrimp.
Oh, the shrimp.